Research has shown that apps don't provide any detriment to the person or make the tinnitus any worse. They are a good self-guiding tool that many people can use to help them through their tinnitus journey. A great place to start your tinnitus relief journey is with the MindEar app. The app provides you with the tools and resources to help you manage your tinnitus and find relief. Some of the features you can find within the MindEar app are customized soundscapes and improving sleep quality, personalized guidance, which will recommend daily activities to help you manage your tinnitus, a library of relaxation and breathing exercises to help you manage your stress and anxiety. It also gives you the opportunity to request a one-on-one consultation with a tinnitus expert. Download the MindEar app today and start finding tinnitus relief.